So I've had a really adventurous day today. I'm at the airport right now, but it's really a miracle that I've made it here in time and actually walking to the flight now. The cab that was supposed to come didn't turn up. I was coming in from Pune now, so you get the drift. It was not easy. Somehow just made it in the nick of time, and I still didn't have my passport and visa. It's handed over to me here at the airport. That's only the second time in my life that this has happened, where the passport and the visa has been given to me at the airport just before the flight. Bottom line is, I'm finally here. So where am I headed? Let me show you. Dubai? No. Connection. So we've landed in Barcelona. That's not our final destination, but we have some time to kill until we get to the next one. We have about 6 hours in hand, so why not utilize that? Maybe go look around, whatever we can. So our first transport is going to be that bus, but we also need to get some tickets, which are there. That's a ticket vending machine. So we'll get those tickets and then go to the city center. So in the bus finally, and we are off. This is my first time to Barcelona. First time. I've been to Valencia for the Audi A8L drive. Now this is the first time to Barcelona. So like I said, not the final destination. We're here for something very exciting, and that will come later. This is a water dispenser, or maybe you can just sit there and take a bath. I don't know. So we have the Barcelona tour bus here. Quite tempted to get on and maybe look around, but there's my friend asking her, how long will it take? This is a local favorite. It's the Iberian salami with tomato chutney. Try it. So let's see what it all looks like. That is the one with the Iberian salami, Iberian meat, Iberian ham. And that is the one with the eggs Benedict and 2 big patties and some bacon. Yay! So in this one, the tomato is overpowering the meat. Not to my liking. You've seen the Vespa so many times, but have you seen a top box like that? It looks so cool. Makes me want to buy a Vespa just for the top box. Beautiful Hornet, KTM 125, but check this scooter out. That's a removable battery, and it's got a handle and a trolley, etc. etc. Urban Eco Mobility. Silence. It's called Silence. The brand is called Silence. Very interesting. Superb. So we can't really do that tour because it's going to take at least 2 hours. Oh wow, churros. Churros with sausages, churros with ham, churros with chocolate. We should eat churros. We should definitely eat churros. But yeah, like I was saying, so the tour is 2 hours long, which means we'll not make it back in good time to get to the airport. So unfortunately, that has been cancelled. We are only seeing one monument, which is the, what is it called? Rishabh, what is it called? What familia? What is it called?
Sagrada Familia.
Sagrado Familia, Sagrada Familia. It's called something like that. Yeah, it doesn't have any relation to Fast and Furious, even if it says Familia. But it is spectacular. It is certainly spectacular. Why am I saying this? Because I can already see it. It's huge. It's tall. Let me show you. Check that out. Any Marquez fans in the house? Right here. Those cylinders, this fuel station. The motorcycle store we are looking for is also going to be closed by somewhere. Let's check it out. Oh, we found it. Motor card. It's right here. AGV. नहीं दिख रहा है ना?
Xspirit, the one I have got.
Xspirit is the X14, no? Oh, you're right. Jesse Alphas are here.
But this is the one
Alpha 1. तेरा Venom ही था ना? तेरा Venom था ना? अच्छा.
Alpha 11.
So we are back from Motorcard. Didn't really shop for much. Pretty much old stuff. All the new ones are on their website, so wasn't anything interesting. Haven't really shopped for anything. Though I have ordered something which will reach my final destination by the time I reach there, hopefully. And for now, we are not getting a cab to get back to the airport because all cabs are occupied and the app is not working because it's not taking international credit cards for now. So the other option is Subway. The train is coming up, so we are now going to take it and go to the airport, hopefully in time for our next flight. You already hear it coming. In we go. we've done is flown to the southern tip of Spain, and hopefully it's going to be a fun week. Oh, is that the guy?
Yeah.
We've been looking for you. We've been looking for you.
Stopping at that resort.
Luggage goes in there.
Greenery. Imagine there's a fucking MotoGP race.
हाँ किधर लिखा था this is
No, it's right here, dude. Yeah. Oh.
wow. So that was the circuit, is the hotel.
Marcelo Monte Castillo. Sky. 15 मिनट पर है एयरपोर्ट 15 मिनट दूर है एयरपोर्ट जाना हाँ वही तो 10
And just see what we have spotted upon entering the hotel. A DB9 GT. Ooh, what a shape. V12. There's a V12 under that hood. Oh my god. Oh my god. Weak in the knees moment. Wow. Just look at that. What a shape. Timeless classic. Timeless classic. Wow.
And I think you have to give these to her. Okay. 201 on the second floor, sir.
Cool. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So let me quickly show you my room. Storage. Monte Castillo. That's for my luggage. All the luggage is right there. See if we have a good view. Golf resort. Oh wow. See, there's some golf stuff happening there. That's the cafe, the restaurant downstairs. That is Mr. Rishabh Bhaskar from Autocar. So people are here to play golf. We are here to play with motorcycles. Let me show you. It's ordered from Motorcard, the same shop that we went to. This after the store pickup wasn't available from there. But I was not sure if I'm going to go to Barcelona, not go to Barcelona. Sorry, shooting with one hand. So what do we have here? New gloves. So this is the Alpine Stars GP Pro R3 gloves. Got it in the red and black combo with the white accent. Now this is a size L. Usually buy or usually wear a size M, but the description for these gloves said that these GP gloves, they fit a little tighter, they fit a little smaller, so it's better that you go one size up. And I've had the GP Plus in the past, and I agree, the M size was a little tight. This is a size L and it fits perfectly. This is a hard TPU kind of material. There's TPU material here as well. And then you get these knuckle guards. You also get the two fingers together. So get some TPU here. You get more abrasion resistant materials here on the inside. And it's a mix of cowhide, kangaroo leather, and in certain countries goat leather as well. There is a lot of perforation that you can see here. And I'm going to put it to the use tomorrow. So we'll talk about what the initial impressions are on my social media. So definitely do take a look there. So we must now head to the presentation. So this is the golf property. But it is right next to a very important destination for any motoring enthusiast, any MotoGP enthusiast. So it's not only about the golf, it's also about the motorcycles. That's exactly what we are here to ride.